Magandang umaga. Ang kakailanganan natin 500 grams ng bread flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 75 grams of sugar, 7 grams of dry yeast, 250 milliliters of milk, 1 egg, 75 grams of butter. Hahalo na muna natin yung yeast natin sa flour, sugar, salt, one egg, and milk. Ang gagamitin natin mixer para sa dough natin. Gagamit tayo ng dough hook. Okay. So at this stage, medyo nagbubuo na siya, medyo nagbalinis na yung bowl. Babagsak na natin unti-unti yung butter. Just checking our dough if it's ready. Just a bit more. Okay. With our oiled hands, let's take the dough and then we'll let it rest for about 1 to 2 hours in a greased bowl, and we'll just cover it with cling film. Okay, we'll just put it aside, let it proof for about 1 to 2 hours. So while our dough is resting, we can make our cinnamon sugar. So just in a bowl, just add some sugar, some cinnamon powder. So this depends on how much you want it. Okay, after 2 hours, nag-rise na yung dough natin. So di-deflate lang natin siya and then we'll proceed to shaping them already. So clean surface. So just deflate it. Roll it out. Then we'll be needing some cutters. Make sure when you roll it out, you rest it for a few seconds before cutting. Wala akong cutter para sa maliit. So, there we go. We'll just cover this and let it rise. So with half of the dough, we'll make some ensaymada. Just make some It's roughly about 60 grams. And we'll just roll this. We'll grease some of our tins using butter. You can put them straight in, or you want to do the classic shape, just roll them. And just twist it, tuck it under. Okay. Just tuck it under. So when cooking, we'll just do the presentation side up. That's the top. So, okay. So it's roughly about 2 minutes per side. So we'll just turn this over. When they're cooked, we'll just drain them in paper towels. Okay. While it's still warm, so we'll just roll the donut in the cinnamon sugar. Or you can do whatever, you can glaze them with chocolate or icing. Okay. There you go. Pwede na natin lutuin yung ensaymada natin. Bali, rines lang natin siya ng mga 1 hour. Okay. So, we'll cook it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? Higyan natin ng butter. There you have it. Ensaymada! So, sa isang recipe ng dough, nagawa tayo ng ensaymada and donuts. There you go. Yan. Lambot na loob. Pop. You can see. Soft.